Hey guys, this is how to stream with sound on Discord, so let's fix it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on the settings icon at the very bottom left. So in the left menu, click on the voice and video, and here you have to just enable an option which is named as use an experimental to capture audio from applications. If it is already in enable mode, then you have to just disable one time and then again enable it. So then what you need to do, you have to just simply join a voice channel or a call, and then simply you have to just click on the share your screen, and then you will find here's a step of the interface. So here in the screen share, you have to just make sure that you have selected the application option among the two of screen and application. And here in the application you have to just find a non full screen mode, and then you have to just allow to find it within the application. So now moving to our second step, you just need to again open your user settings, and here click on the activity status, and now click on the edit, and now here you have to just click on the application that you want to share in the stream, and then click on the add game. And right after that again open your screen share, and then this time in the application click on the go live and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.